Namaste students, welcome to Government Portfolio. Today we will discuss about the exam UGC NET. On behalf of University Grant Commission, the National Eligibility Test is conducted for determining the eligibility of Indian national for the eligibility of for assistant professor only or junior research fellowship and assistant professor both in India, in Indian universities and colleges. Till June 2018, the CBSE conducted the NET in 84 subjects and 91 selected cities of spread across the country. Since December 2018 onwards, the UGC NET is being conducted by the NTA. The award of JRF and or eligibility for assistant professor depends on the aggregate performance of the candidate in paper 1 and paper 2 of UGC NET. The candidate qualifying only for assistant professor are not to be considered for the award of JRF. Candidates who qualify the test for eligibility for assistant professor are governed by the rules of regulation for recruitment of assistant professor of the concerned universities, colleges, state governments, as the case may be. UGC NET is conducted twice a year in June 2020. The examination is scheduled between 15 June and 20 June 2020. Here is the UGC NET 2020 highlights. The exam name is UGC NET University Grant Commissioner National Eligibility Test 2020, and it is conducted body is National Testing Agency NTA. What are the examination level is national. Exam mode online only, and exam duration is 180 minutes. Exam purpose is selection of candidates for post of assistant professor or both junior research fellowship JRF and assistant professor in Indian universities and colleges. Next is what are the essential qualification for UGC NET. Candidate should secure at least 55% aggregate marks in post graduation. Candidate should not be more than 30 years in age order to be eligible for JRF. There is no age restriction to apply for the post of assistant professor. A relaxation of 5% in educational qualification is given to reserved category candidates. A relaxation of 5 years in age criteria is given to reserved category candidates. Candidates who have cleared state eligibility test set before June 1, 2002 are exempted from taking the UGC NET exam. Then what is the exam pattern? So particulars are exam mode. In university 1 paper highlights are online and UGC 2 paper is online. What is the examination duration? So it is 3 hours 180 minutes. Types of paper common for all candidates. In paper 2 it is subject specific questions. Total questions are in paper 1 it is 50 and in paper 2 it is 100. Types of questions in paper 1 it is MCQ, 4 options and 1 correct option, and it is same in paper 2 also. Total marks in paper 1 is 100 and paper 2 is 200. Marking scheme is +2 for correct answer, 0 for incorrect answer. And paper 2 it is +2 for correct answer and 0 for incorrect answer. What are the language of paper? In paper 1 it is English and Hindi. and in paper 2 it is also English and Hindi. Then overview of UGC NET exam 2020. UGC NET exam comprises two papers, paper 1 and paper 2, containing multiple choice questions. Candidate needs to complete both the paper in a single duration of 3 hours. UGC NET paper first and second. Number of question, it is in 50 in first paper and in 100 in second paper. Marks is 100 in first paper and 200 in second paper. So total number of questions are 150 and marks are 350 only. So that's all about UGC NET examination. Thank you, students.